Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix Clash of Clans app not loading on iPhone or if your account is restricted. So how to actually fix that? First, I'll see from here you need to go to the App Store and make sure that you don't have any updates for Clash of Clans. If you have any update, you can try to update the game. After that, you need to go to iPhone settings. I'll see from here. So from the settings, you need to go to general settings, and after that you need to reach the storage settings. As see from here, you need to click on iPhone storage, and then you need to scroll all the way down till you find Clash of Clans app. So if you don't find it, you may find a show all button. You need to click on it, and then you will find the Clash of Clans app. You need to click on it. From here, for the last step, you need to just click on offload the app to offload any cache memory and delete anything stored in the app. So now you can actually connect a new account if you have a restricted account problem. Also, you can start fresh with the app so it won't have any bugs or loading errors or any other errors. Also, if you still have any issues, you can try to delete the app from here, and after that you can reinstall it and see if that fixes your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.